Hey everybody, it's Sauer Rogers Toyota. Just wanted to show you this custom RMX Tundra. It is now available. Wheels, tires, lift. It's got the running boards on it. It even has a tri-fold bed cover, tinted windows, and more. This thing is absolutely beautiful inside and out, and you're not going to believe the deal on this one. That is right. You have a deal on this one. Check this out. This beautiful Tundra right here is absolutely gorgeous. All the room you ever need in the back. And check this out. On sale after a $1,000 rebate for $59,770. That's right. Only $59,770 for this beautiful baby. Or the other option is, how about 72 months at 2.99% interest? That's right. 72 months at 2.99. That is quite a few points less than your local credit union or banker do. Stop in and see Sauer for this beautiful vehicle right here at Rogers Toyota. Check it out today. Remember, stop in, ask for Sauer right here at Rogers Toyota, where we care about what you're driving.